Look at this world, floating serenely in the eternal sunshine, a perfect, unbroken pearl, smooth, radiant, and draped in clouds so delicate they resemble a soft bridal veil. For millennia, humanity gazed upon her and named her after beauty and love itself. But that shimmering
She hangs so close to us, yet we have never walked upon her. Every probe we sent burned, crushed, or dissolved in mere minutes. The reason is not distance. It is a wall of pure, unrelenting violence. First, the heat, an average surface temperature of 462 degrees Celsius, hot enough to turn steel, electronics, even an entire studio into a glowing puddle of slag in seconds. But the heat is only the welcome party.
The real killer is the pressure. Standing on the Venusian surface feels like being slammed 1 kilometer beneath Earth's ocean, 92 times our normal atmospheric pressure. Your body would be compressed instantly. Your spacesuit would become nothing more than a crumpled tin can. And then the air itself turns hostile. It's not air. It's a thick, choking soup of carbon dioxide, heavy with swirling clouds of sulfuric acid that eat away at everything they touch. But here is the true, bone-chilling irony. High up in that hellish sky, at about 50 kilometers above the surface, something extraordinary occurs. The pressure eases, the temperature drops dramatically. In that narrow layer, conditions feel almost like a pleasant spring day on Earth. You could float there inside a sealed habitat, gazing out at endless seas of golden yellow clouds stretching forever. The gravity would feel perfectly familiar. The view would be unlike anything else in our solar system, breathtaking, alien, mesmerizing. The catch? You would be drifting inside a sky made of concentrated sulfuric acid. One tiny leak, one single crack, and the illusion ends in agony. Venus is a world of ghosts. She is blanketed in the tombs of volcanoes, over 1,600 major ones, with tens of thousands more scattered across her surface. Vast frozen plains of ancient cooled lava stretch endlessly. She appears geologically dead, but we are no longer certain she sleeps peacefully. Recent clues suggest her volcanic heart may still be beating, faint signs of activity that keep scientists watching intently. So what is Venus, truly? She is our sister planet, born from the same stellar nursery, almost identical to Earth in size and basic composition. Yet she is also our harshest warning, a living demonstration of how fragile a planet's climate balance can be, how one small shift can tip irreversibly into eternal oblivion. She remains the most beautiful object in our night sky, and beneath that beauty, she is a graveyard,